On behalf of Manchester City family, my family, myself, my deepest condolence from Luis Enrique, from Luis Enrique Martinez and his wife Elena, of course, grandfather, grandmothers, and sister, Syria sisters, and Pacho brother from her lost yesterday from Shana, the little daughter from 9 years old. So it's we knew it was not good, but always you dream everything is going well. I don't have words. I don't absolutely nothing to say because always you try to find the reason why the existence or the reason why this kind of thing has happened is not argument for a 9 years old, a little lovely daughter. Lost her life, so hopefully he can feel with Enrique and her family, from Manchester City, myself especially, and my family, myself, that we are here, and hopefully soon I can see him and tell him how I love him, not just him and his family. So yeah, that's all.